The following introduction shows you the possibility of free testing of aluminium welded parts. First of all, you need to enter your password to be able to start the application. You can see the main menu of the software. You have the possibility to make free testing, means no definitions of inspection plans. You can choose whatever you want according to the part you have in front of you, or you have fixed inspection plans, test plans, which are valid for production. Operator can choose the plan and to repeat the inspection again and again on the same part according to the internal requirements. Free testing, you have default settings which are free selectable. In our case, we have aluminium welded plate combination of 0.8 to 1.45 millimeters. So what you need to do, we are going to plate pairing, choosing aluminium as a material, and we are entering manually 0.8 for the first plate and 1.45 millimeter for the second. So means we have aluminium, we have a plate combination of 0.8 to 1.45, and we can start the inspection. So on the right side we are able to see the live scan again, means you can move the probe to get the welded area more or less in the center of the picture. If the background is blue, means we are perpendicular on the surface and the welded area will be more or less round. In that case, means we have the right position and we can press the remote control or we can press the touchscreen functionality of the screen to save the result. Again, you see what we entered in the definitions before. Plate combination, you should reach a target diameter of 4 millimeter. The software measured 4.96, means it's bigger. Total result is okay. So if you like, you can jump to the next, can do the same, trying to be perpendicular like that, background is blue, pressing the button for saving the result, right, this is okay. You can jump to the next, doing the same, and so on and so on. And if you feel that no need to test more spots, you can exit the software, you're back in the menu, and you can change plate pairing, evaluation parameters, whatever you like, according to the part you need. And you can start again with a new inspection.